Every motorcycle begins as raw steel. Today, inside this advanced factory, tons of
Metal is cut. Engineers use advanced CAD systems to design a frame built for strength, balance, and performance.
High-power laser cutters slice through steel with micron precision, shaping the skeleton of the motorcycle.
Robotic arms weld the frame with perfect consistency, ensuring structural integrity and rider safety.
The welded frame is heat-treated and stress-tested to withstand extreme riding conditions.
Aluminum is poured into precision molds, forming the powerful heart of the machine, the engine block. Computer-controlled CNC machines carve engine parts with incredible accuracy for maximum efficiency. The crankshaft is forged, machined, and dynamically balanced for smooth, vibration-free performance.
Pistons are installed into honed cylinders, creating the engine's combustion chamber.
Transmission gears are cut, hardened, and polished to deliver seamless power shifting. Skilled technicians assemble hundreds of components into one powerful, synchronized engine.
Each engine is tested on a dynamometer to measure horsepower, torque, and reliability.
Forks and rear shock absorbers are engineered for stability and rider comfort. Strong yet lightweight wheels are cast and assembled to handle speed and rough terrain. Precision machines mount and balance tires to ensure a smooth, safe ride. Hydraulic presses shape steel sheets into sleek, aerodynamic fuel tanks. High-pressure injection molding creates lightweight body panels with perfect contours.
Arms apply primer, color, and clear coat for a flawless showroom finish. Every wire is precisely routed and connected to power lights, sensors, and ignition systems.
High-performance brake discs and calipers are engineered for maximum stopping power.
Steel pipes are bent, welded, and polished to optimize airflow and sound.
The engine is carefully mounted onto the frame the moment the motorcycle truly takes shape.
Systems and wheels are installed, giving the machine its stance and mobility. Tank and fairings are fitted, revealing the motorcycle's final design. Inspect every bolt, weld, and wire to meet strict quality standards.
Automated test rigs simulate real-world road conditions to verify durability.
Each motorcycle is cleaned, polished, and prepared for its first owner.
Finished motorcycles are securely packaged and prepared for shipment worldwide. Finally, the engine roars to life. From raw steel to roaring machine, the journey is complete.